From 1957, that October 25th, until October 25th, 1962, the defense attorney never gave up. He had been a family friend of Lucas Freeman's. He had come in from out of town and set up office work here in the local Coble Law Offices. He had stayed at the Albemarle Hotel, and continuously he worked, even after the verdict came back against them. He had questioned jurors who said, well, we took everything into consideration. We knew that it was little Lou's 8th birthday. It was also the 8th anniversary of Lucas's wife's death. She had died giving birth. We just began to think that all the responsibilities of being a farmer and a father and a good man had just been too much for him, and he just snapped. This did not satisfy the lawyer, Douglas Frazier. He continued to work. Finally, the Cobles needed more space, so they boxed everything up and put it away. Still, Frazier came back as often as he could and pulled out the files. He spread them out and searched through them. He looked at everything he could. On October 25th, 1962, Frazier had a heart attack and died. On the same day, at the same hour, at the prison work camp where Lucas Freeman had been sentenced, the tractor on which he was working turned over and crushed him to death. Again, October 25th, 1962. From that day forward, that day has continued to be of significance. The office has changed hands, but even now, the office staff will come in and they'll find a file spread out on the table, as if someone has been searching through it, looking at the evidence, combing through every word to see what was missed. And always, the testimony of Ray McMillan is lying apart and separate on the chair. Perhaps that's the key to the problem.